If you're looking for dependable, high-quality black and white printing, the Brother TN-820 Genuine Cartridge delivers exactly that. Designed specifically for Brother laser printers, it produces crisp, professional mono prints every time you hit print. This replacement black toner cartridge offers a strong yield of up to 3,000 pages. That means fewer cartridge changes and more uninterrupted productivity, whether you're printing reports, contracts, or everyday documents. What sets the TN-820 apart is its seamless compatibility with a wide range of Brother laser printers and all-in-one models. It's engineered to work perfectly with your machine, creating rich blacks without smudges or fading, so your documents always look sharp. For added convenience, the TN-820 supports Amazon Dash replenishment. Once activated with your Dash-eligible Brother printer, it can automatically reorder itself before you run out, delivering fresh cartridges right to your door. No more last-minute trips or downtime. This cartridge is compatible with many popular Brother models, including the DCPL5500DN, HLL6200DW, MFCL5900DW, and more. If you own one of these printers, the TN-820 is the reliable choice that ensures your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Users consistently praise the Brother TN-820 for its flawless performance. Unlike some third-party options, this genuine cartridge is recognized immediately by your printer and delivers consistent print quality without errors or interruptions. Choosing the Brother TN-820 means you get what matters most: dependable prints, fewer replacements, and hassle-free operation. It's a practical investment for anyone serious about maintaining professional print standards. If you want a cartridge that fits perfectly, prints beautifully, and keeps your workflow steady, the Brother TN-820 Genuine Cartridge is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing experience.